children, today let's start with chapter number first, that is plants kingdom. So in this chapter, we will study about the plants and the different parts of plant. So we have amazing words of plants on earth. So many different kinds of plants grow here, and some plants are big while some are small. Some grow on land and some in water. Some plants bear flower and some do not. So let's know more about the different types of plants found on earth. Label the different parts of plant. Here the different parts of plant has been given to you. You have to label them, right? What it is? This is flower. This is leaf. What this is? This is fruit. This is stem. And what is this? This is root. Right? So these are the different parts of plants. Let's study about the types of plant. We have herbs. We have herbs. So what are herbs? ये small plants होते हैं, इनकी soft green stem होते हैं, leaves होती है. ये seasonal plants होते हैं, they live only in one season. Grass is the most common herb. Mint, coriander, basil, Spanish, etc. What are these? These all are herbs. Right? Next is shrubs. They are small and they have woody stem. They have branches are bushy, they live for fever. Cotton, rose, hibiscus, many. They are shrubs. ठीक है, इनके पास क्या होता है? थर्म्स भी होते हैं, कांटे भी होते हैं. Trees, big, tall and strong plant. They are thick, hard, woody stem called trunk. ये किससे covered है? With thick skin, जिसको हम bark कहते हैं. And we have many, we live for many years. Neem, palm, people, mango, etc. trees. Then we have climbers, जिनको support चाहिए होता है, like a stick का या फिर ball का. Right? They get support of nearby tree, stick or a ball. जैसे ग्रेप पॉइंट, बी, पी प्लांट, मनी प्लांट एक्सेट्रा. देन वी हैव क्रीपर, जो ग्राउंड पे क्रीप करते हैं, बहुत हैवी होते हैं, लाइक वाटरमेलन, राइट, एंड योर मस्क मेलन, बर्ड, पंपकिन, कुकुम्बर, ये क्रीपर्स होते हैं. देखो प्लांट जो हर जो एक सीजन के लिए होते हैं उनको हम एनुअल्स कहते हैं, और जो 2 years के लिए होते हैं उनको हम बाइनियर्स कहते हैं, और जो कंटिन्यू ग्रो करते हैं फॉर मेनी ईयर्स उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? पेरिनियर्स. सो दीज आर द 3 types of plants. Let's study about the uses. So, right? So plants, what they give us food. What we get from plants? We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, tea and coffee. Right? So many spices come from the plant. These spices like bay leaf, cardamom, turmeric, clove, coriander, fennel, chilies. They makes the food tasty. ये खाने को कैसा बनाते हैं? टेस्टी बनाते हैं. ठीक है, फ्लेवर देते हैं हमारे खाने को. देन वी हैव सीड्स एंड फ्रूट्स ऑफ सम प्लांट. जैसे सनफ्लावर हो गया, right? We have sunflower, olive, groundnut, mustard, and coconut. What are these? These are edible oil. Seeds and fruits of some plants like sunflower, olive, groundnut, mustard, coconut. They are used as edible oil. इनका हम ऑयल यूज करते हैं, घर में खाना बनाते हैं मम्मा लोग, तो वो ऑयल यूज करते हैं. जैसे हम सनफ्लावर का ऑयल यूज करती है, मस्टर्ड का ऑयल यूज करती है. सो फ्रेगनेंट प्लांट्स जैसे आपके रोज, जैस्मिन, सैंडलवुड, कैलेंडेरा, इनका हम क्या बनाते हैं? परफ्यूम्स बनाते हैं. एंड इट इज यूज टू मेक सोप्स, ऑयल, टूथपेस्ट एंड क्रीम्स. Plants such as neem, tulsi, clove and eucalyptus, they are used to make medicines. Such plants are also called medicinal plants. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Medicinal plants. Wood of the trees like teak, sisam and mahogany, they are used to make furniture. And paper is obtained from wood pulp of the plant bamboo. Trees give shelter to many animals like monkey, birds and squirrel. So we have rose, neem, tulsi, sisam, bamboo and coconut. What are these? These are the different types of plants. Then we have plants also the 5. जैसे cotton, jute, flax हो गया. Cotton से हमें cotton मिलती है. Coconut plant gives us हमें special fibers, हम coir कहते हैं, जो थोड़ी क्या होती है? Tough होती है. And it is used to make mats, rugs, and it is also used for filling mattress. Next is plant and climate. Plants grow almost everywhere. They just need sunlight, air, water to grow. Some of them can even grow in city, cold condition, and some in hot and dry desert. They grow in plain mountain forest. In hot and wet area, it receive lot of rain, और जो plants होते हैं वो thick cover हो गए. Such places are rainforest and they are very dense and also make thick green plants. In places that are neither too hot nor too cold, trees grow in groups which are called orchards and groves. In mountains, regions that receive thick snowfall in winter, trees like pine, birch, spruce grow here, and these trees are conical in shape और ये थोड़े pointed होते हैं. कैसे होते हैं? Conical होते हैं और pointed होते हैं like needle, right? And leaves which slope downwards to avoid snow from collecting to their surface. Now plants growing in desert like cactus, acacia, baboon. इनकी thick fleshy stem होती है and thorn like sleeve होती है which prevents grazing by animals while stems store water. Plants like lotus, water lily, water hynex, water chestnuts, they grow only in water. They have hollow stem जो किसमें help करती है? Them to keep floating. Now some unusual plants like we have molds and mushroom. They are non-green plants. They grow in dead and decaying plants and animals. They help in cleaning the earth from these. Some plants and insects to get nutrition. These plants are called insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap catches insects between its leaves and the pitcher plant and sundew. What are these? These are also insectivorous, right? Cascadian plant which grows on the stem of other tree. It does not have any leaves and takes all its nutrition from plant on which it's grow. In plants को क्या कहा जाता है? Parasites. What do we call them? Parasites. So plants are our friends. We should grow more and more trees and we should not cut trees. इनको हमें prevent करना चाहिए, protect करना चाहिए. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.